Sketch the graph y equal to tan x for 0 to 360 degree. Yes, so now we are going to draw tan x in this region. So what is tan 0? 0. And tan 90 is infinite. Yes, so we'll be drawing from this to this. And here it is both plus infinite and also minus infinite. So from here it will come, and we know tan 180 is 0 and tan 270 is infinite. Same way, we will be continuing like this. Okay, this is tan graph in this region 0 to 360 degree. Now, using this, we have to solve this one. Phi tan x equal to 1. Yes, so tan x equal to 1 by 5. So, x equal to tan inverse of 1 by 5. If you solve using the calculator, you will get 11.3. So, 11.3 is at this thing. For example, tan 1 by 5 is here means this point is 11.3. Is that no? So this 1 by 5 we are getting at two different places, here and also here. This distance is 11.3. So from 0 it is 11.3 degree. Yes. Same way here, when you are having 0 at 180 degree, I am having 0. From 180 degree you should add 11.3 to get this value. So 180 plus 11.3 is 191.3. So tan inverse of 1 by 5 is 11.3 and 191.3. In this region 0 to 360 degree, you are getting tan inverse of 1 by 5 in two occurrence, and that is 11.3 and 181.3.